Today, we dive into the world of one of the most extraordinary yet underrated natural remedies, fennel seeds. These tiny, aromatic seeds have been revered for centuries across cultures, from ancient Egypt and Rome to traditional Indian and Chinese medicine. But why are they so special? The answer lies in their powerful ability to heal, soothe, and rejuvenate our bodies from within. Let's start with one of fennel seeds' most celebrated benefit. Digestive health. Have you ever felt bloated after a heavy meal? Or struggled with indigestion? Fennel seeds offer a natural solution. Thanks to anethole, fenchone, and estragol, 3 bioactive compounds. Anethole, the primary active compound in fennel, is known for its antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps relax the smooth muscles of the digestive system, reducing bloating, gas, and cramping. This makes it particularly beneficial for those suffering from indigestion or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Fenchone plays a crucial role in stimulating digestive enzymes and bile production, enhancing digestion and preventing constipation. It also acts as a carminative, helping to expel gas and relieve bloating. However, estragol, while contributing to fennel's distinct aroma, has raised concerns due to its potential toxicity in high doses. Some studies suggest it may have carcinogenic effects in excessive amounts, but normal dietary consumption is generally considered safe. Together, these compounds make fennel a powerful natural remedy for digestive health. However, moderation is key, and individuals with sensitive conditions should consult a healthcare professional before regular use. Scientific studies confirm this ancient wisdom. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that fennel seeds significantly reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, by relaxing intestinal muscles, easing discomfort, stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, ensuring that our bodies break down food efficiently and absorb nutrients effectively. But the wonders of fennel seeds don't stop there. These seeds are a powerhouse of antioxidants, including flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which help fight free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body. Fennel seeds have been traditionally used as a natural decongestant, helping to clear mucus from the respiratory tract. They also possess antibacterial properties that may support lung health. Ever wondered why fennel seeds are often served after meals in Indian restaurants? It's not just for taste. These seeds have powerful antibacterial properties that eliminate bad breath and promote oral health. Fennel seeds help flush out toxins from the liver and kidneys, reducing the risk of kidney stones and improving overall organ function. Drinking fennel tea can enhance detoxification pathways in the body. Rich in phytoestrogens, fennel seeds can support hormonal health in women, aiding in menstrual regulation and reducing symptoms of menopause. A study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences revealed that fennel extracts could help alleviate menopausal discomforts like hot flashes and mood swings. These seeds also act as a natural appetite suppressant while boosting metabolism. Drinking fennel seed tea can promote fat breakdown and enhance detoxification. Rich in vitamin C, flavonoids, and essential oils, fennel seeds help strengthen the immune system. Studies have shown that these compounds exhibit antimicrobial and antiviral properties, making them a great addition during flu season. Fennel seeds are rich in potassium, a crucial mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium and relaxing blood vessels. This can promote better circulation and reduce strain on the heart. Additionally, fennel seeds contain antioxidants and fiber, which further support heart health. Fennel seed extract is often used to relieve colic in babies. Fennel-infused formulas help reduce excessive crying and discomfort in infants with colic, making it a trusted home remedy for parents. Fennel seeds are packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber that can aid in blood sugar regulation. One of their key benefits is their high fiber content, which slows down sugar absorption in the bloodstream, preventing dangerous spikes. Drinking fennel seed tea or chewing the seeds after meals can aid digestion and help keep blood sugar levels stable. So, if you or a loved one are managing high blood sugar, consider incorporating fennel seeds into your daily routine, it's a small habit that can lead to big health benefits. Make sure to watch this video all the way through, your health is priceless. And remember to subscribe to support the growth of our community. Fennel seeds are rich in potassium, an essential mineral for brain function. Potassium increases oxygen supply to the brain, enhancing cognitive abilities and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's. Beyond their medicinal properties, fennel seeds can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Chew them after meals to aid digestion and freshen breath. Brew fennel seed tea to soothe digestive issues. Add them to soups, stews, and curries for a burst of flavor. Infuse water with fennel seeds for a natural detox drink. Fennel seeds are generally safe for most people, but certain individuals should avoid or limit their intake. Fennel seeds contain compounds that may have estrogen-like effects, which could potentially trigger uterine contractions and complications in pregnant women. Those with estrogen-sensitive conditions like breast cancer, ovarian cancer, or endometriosis should consult a doctor before consuming fennel. Some people may be allergic to fennel, especially if they have sensitivities to carrots, celery, or other plants in the Apiaceae family. Fennel seeds have mild blood-thinning properties and may interact with anticoagulant drugs. High doses of fennel may trigger seizures in individuals with epilepsy or neurological conditions. If you're unsure, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional before adding fennel seeds to your diet. In a world filled with processed foods and synthetic medications, fennel seeds remind us that nature has already provided powerful remedies. Whether you chew on them after meals, brew them into a soothing tea, or incorporate them into your cooking, these tiny seeds can transform your health in profound ways. So, the next time you come across fennel seeds, don't underestimate their power. A pinch of these seeds could be the key to a healthier gut, a stronger immune system, and a balanced body. After all, great things often come in small packages. Want to learn more about the healing power of foods? Check out our other videos on nutrient-rich diets, superfoods, and natural remedies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Together, we're building a healthier, happier future. Thank you for watching.